Presenting an easy and repeatable way to achieve square cuts with your track saw, the new and improved GRS-16PE V2 guide rail square. In just seconds, transform your guide rail into a high-precision square capable of making dead square cuts every time. Made without compromise, the GRS-16PE V2 is CNC machined from a single piece of 6061 T6 aluminum and anodized for a durable, non-marring finish. The new parallel edge square retains all the benefits of the original design but adds several refinements, most notably a convenient and patent-pending drop-on feature. Simply drop the square on at any point along the guide rail without having to reach or remove accessories like clamps, connectors, or hose deflectors. The high-strength steel latch automatically squares as it clamps and does not require calibration to maintain a perfect 90-degree reference. Need to clamp down before making a cut? No problem. A pair of slots on either side of the square will accept your favorite track clamp and will slim down to help keep it properly engaged. Thanks to TSO's system approach, you can expand your square's capability with optional accessories like an angle for cutting workpieces with challenging edge profiles, or our parallel guide system, which allows you to make perfect and repeatable parallel cuts. Finally, opt for a customized TSO sustainer and foam inserts to keep your shop organized and protect your investment on the go. There's never been an easier way to square cuts with your track saw, so why wait? Get your TSO guide rail square today.
What's he building in there?
What's she building in there?
What are they building in there?
The truth is, it could be just about anything.
Twin Cities Maker is an all-volunteer-run, community-based nonprofit group of designers.
Artists.
Hobbyists,
Really, makers of all stripes.
We come from all different walks of life.
different experience.
Different modalities.
Basically, we're all here to make something cool.
We like to say we're dedicated to innovation, helpfulness, and amazing rarities.
Innovation, meaning finding unique ways to apply your knowledge and creativity.
And having access to a huge variety of tools and equipment to help you find your creativity.
And when we say helpfulness, we're saying the tools are nice.
But the community is the real resource here.
We offer classes, sure, but also everyone here is super approachable.
We're all eager to learn.
And eager to teach, really.
If you want to learn something, just walk up to someone and ask them.
Hey, what are you working on?
What are you building there?
Everyone here is excited about their projects. They want to talk about them.
Which sort of ties into the amazing rarities, because that just means we like making cool stuff.
We've got a wood shop,
Metal shop?
CNC stuff,
a frickin' laser,
Machine shop,
Classroom?
a computer lab,
3D printing.
and of course, the Artifactor. But if you really want to get a feel of the space, just drop by Wednesday night.
We have open houses every Wednesday from 7 to 9 for anyone interested in joining Twin Cities Maker.
And you can check us out online at tcmaker.org.
Hope to see you soon.